Number 3. Write 4 minus 4b plus b squared as a square of an expression in brackets. Solution. Now we have 4 minus 4b plus b squared. This can be written as what? This 4 can be written as 2, then we have squared. Now, and for us to apply this, we must have 2 in the middle. So bring it to him, what are we going to have? 4 divided by 2. We have 2 also. Then we have into bracket b plus b squared. And recall, from the second algebraic identity, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared will give you a minus b squared. That's the algebraic identity. We can see here, if here is minus, then what you have here must be minus. So from here now, if you compare this, it means our a is 2. Our a is equal to 2. Our a is like 2. And our b is still b. Our b is still equals to b based on this algebraic identity. So you can see b is still equals to b. So it means that what? The final answer will now be what? Using this formula, expressing it in this form. Our a is equals to 2. We now have 2 minus what? B raised to the power of 2. That is the solution to the question. Thank you.